how to participate in PK battle on Bigo Live. Tap the plus or go live button. Set up your stream title, cover page, live category. You know the drill. Once you are live, look for the PK button, usually bottom right. Tap it to enter PK mode. Pick your battle type, line or match for a 101 with a friend or random stranger. In Team PK, invite teammates and challenge another team. Invite someone. 101 PK, select a friend or random streamer and invite them. Streams appear side by side. The competition begins. Perform, entertain, engage your fans. Viewers support you by sending gifts which convert to diamonds. Whoever receives more gifts win the PK battle. And that's how you bring high energy action to your stream with PK battles. If this helped, tap the like and subscribe for more shout out worthy tips. Catch you in the next video.